How to uninstall Figma agent on Windows 11. In this quick tutorial, I will show you step by step. First, click on Start menu and then go to Settings or press Windows I to directly open the settings. Then in the left sidebar, you will see the apps option. Then go to Install Apps. And from here you will see the search apps. Now search Figma. You see the Figma agent app is here. Now click on three dot menu, then click uninstall. A pop-up will arise in front of you, a confirmation message. Just click uninstall. If you click uninstall, a confirmation message will be shown in front of you. Just click uninstall. If you click uninstall, the Figma agent will be completely removed or uninstalled from your computer or desktop. So by following this easy step-by-step process, you can easily uninstall Figma agent from your Windows laptop or Windows PC or Windows operating system. Thanks for watching.